Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cutting straight to the chase, diving into how to organize your university lectures and assignments in Notion. So, let's get started. First off, log into your Notion account and create a new page, naming it something like University Lectures. This will be our main hub, a central place to streamline all your academic work. The reason we do this is to have easy access to all your lecture notes and assignments in one place. Now, within this page, let's create subpages for each of your subjects. This helps us because it's an excellent way to compartmentalize your different subjects, keeping everything tidy and easy to find. Click on New Page, name it after your course, and repeat this for all your subjects. Next up, let's create a template for your lecture notes. Hit Templates in the top right corner and choose Notes and Drafts. Customize it to fit your note-taking style. This step is crucial because having a consistent template will save you time and ensure you capture all the necessary details during your lectures. Now that we've done that, let's move on to assignments. Create a new table, name it Assignments, and add columns for due dates, priority, and status. This is important because it helps you stay on top of your tasks and prevents you from missing any crucial deadlines. Let me explain why this matters. Being organized with your university work in Notion isn't just about neatness. It's about efficiency, streamlining your studying process, and ensuring you're always in control. And there it is. You're all set to organize your university lectures and assignments in Notion. Remember, the key to academic success is staying organized. Thanks for tuning in, stay organized, and see you next time.